Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. I'm so excited you are here because we're gonna be making a grapevine wreath. I got this form at Michael's for only $4 and we're gonna create a beautiful wreath on a budget that's gonna look so high-end, and you can display it on your door from now all the way through the summer. Hi Coco, my puppy just joined us. By the way, if you are here for the first time, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and automatically become my bestie. All right, let's get started.
By the way, if you are wondering about this original creation, I made it with all Dollar Tree items, and you can look it up in this video. For today's project, we're gonna need a grapevine wreath. This one is 14 inches. Florals. These peonies come from Christmas Tree Shop. A great deal, 6 large flowers for $5. Dollar Tree also sells peonies, but they're much smaller, so you're gonna need more of them. I'll be using other coordinating flowers from the Dollar Tree as well. And of course, greenery. If your Dollar Tree doesn't have it, you can find some good deals 40% off at Michael's. And lastly, we're gonna need some ribbon. I found this one at Hobby Lobby on sale for only $1.99. Every other week, ribbon at Hobby Lobby is 50% off. My helper is ready. Let's get started. First, I clean the wreath using an old flower stem. This way, all the old dry leaves and grasses fall out and you don't deal with the garbage later. Next, I decide on the placement. I pick the nicer side to leave exposed and then cover the not so nice side. So this is where my bow is gonna go and flowers here. And I like to add my bow first and then the flowers. Of course, we're gonna be making my subscribers' favorite today, the Bestie Bow. You can customize it any way you want it. Today, we're gonna be using 4 strips of ribbon, 2 24 and 2 36 inches long. And I just realized what a small piece I have left over. I might just use that too. But first, let's cut the fishtails at each end. Fold your ribbon in half alongside, cut diagonally towards the wired edge, and get 2 fishtails. Making a Bestie Bow is so easy. You simply measure 6-inch loop, pinch it, and hold it with your thumb. 6 inches pinch and hold. And I'm alternating the lengths of my ribbons. If you have different colors, you alternate the colors. And then you simply tie it with the floral wire and fluff, 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 and the beautiful Bestie Bow appears. If you are new to my channel and never done a Bestie Bow before, you want to look up my original video for detailed step-by-step instructions. Okay, so the Bestie Bow is ready, and now we're going to use the wire from the back to attach it to our wreath. And you want to pull the long tails towards the bottom. I want to achieve that flowy, careless look. Let me know if I accomplish that at the end. Next, we cut apart the florals, and I want to show you the long stems you can cut in half, so you have a flower and a leaf stem. And now the greenery. This branch from Michael's is on sale for $1.20. You can cut it apart in 3 pieces. Look at that. That's a great value for $1.20. You won't get that at a Dollar Tree. We're going to insert a piece on each side of a bow for a green base for our flowers. By the way, all the supplies I'm using today were just purchased yesterday, so you can find them in the stores. And yes, the naughty bird is back. Tweety! Oh, and look at that. It's called Raspberry Cloud. My friend just stopped by and brought this cake. It's with raspberries and whipped cream. And look, even Coco got some whipped cream. So spoiled, these animals around here. Next, I add some peony leaves on both sides of the bow. And it looks so pretty. Now we're ready to add the big florals. And don't use all your greenery. Always leave some leaves for the end for finishing touch to fill in the holes, okay? Next step is to add the big florals. Bend the stem and insert it into the wreath along the grapevines. You don't want to poke that stem so it comes out on the other side. That would be not good, scratching the door. You want to insert it in between those vines, okay? We have 6 large flowers. We're going to insert 3 on each side of the bow. Also, please note that I didn't cut my stems short. I want to keep them long so I could bend them in any direction that I wish. And also, they kind of expand my wreath beyond the form, 14 inches. Oh no, not you again. Please note how I extended the wreath with this flower. Pretty, right? Now I'm going to add some white lilacs. And I'm going to insert them throughout. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love flowers. How about you? If you do, please give me those flower emojis. And of course, you can bend and adjust these as you wish. And you can add any other flowers that you have. Of course, one type at a time makes it easier. Next, I'm going to add a wire hanger at the top and hang my wreath to see it from a different perspective. Now fill in any holes with the greenery. You can bend your flowers and fix their placement. Of course, fix your bow 110th time. I also have some ivy that I'm going to cut apart and insert at both tips of my wreath and also on the side over there. I think it added even more dimension now. The wreath is basically done, but those little yellow flowers from a Dollar Tree is the unexpected pop of color and my cherry on the top. And here's the view from the back of the wreath. As you can tell, no stems popping out.
Alright, my besties, so this is it for today. I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit like. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so because there's so many new ideas coming up and you don't want to miss them, okay? Take care, my besties. See you next time. Bye-bye. Coco, say bye.